Dear students, in this class we are going to solve exercise question. Class for 8th standard, subject computer, and we are discussing chapter 1st, typing tutor. So let's start solving first question. Fill in the blanks. So first blanks, dash font can be used to type in Punjabi. Students, all of you know Anmol Lipi, Ravi, Joy, these are the Punjabi fonts. With the help of these we can write or we can type in Punjabi. So our options are Anmol Lipi, B, Ravi, C, Joy, and D, all of the above. So our right answer is D, all of the above. Second, in home row, dash key is pressed with little finger of little hand while typing this Anmol Lipi font. Not this is not for leave, class leave. This is little finger of left hand. So with the help of this, which key we pressed in Anmol Lipi? A option Uda oblique Ada. B option Sassa oblique Sashe per Bindi. C option Dadda oblique Tadda. And D option Dadda oblique Tadda. So our right answer is Uda oblique Ada, A option. A option is correct option. Third blanks. In second row, dash key is pressed with ring finger of left hand while typing Anmol Lipi font. This is our ring finger. With the help of this, we have to choose any one option. So options are A, Tatta oblique Thatha, B, Kanna oblique Kanne par Bindi, C, Ed oblique Uda, D, Rara oblique Per che Rara. So our right answer is B. With the help of this finger, ring finger of left hand, we press Kanna oblique Kanne par Bindi. Fourth, in third row, dash key is pressed with index finger of right hand while typing with Anmol Lipi. Right hand and this is index finger. So options A, Babba oblique Pabba, B, Nanna oblique Uppar Bindi, option C, Mamma oblique Tippi, option D, Mamma oblique Tippi, comma, Nanna oblique Uppar Bindi. So with the help of this finger, option D is true. Right answer is D. Fifth one, to use number pad, dash should be keep on. All of you know, while using number, we need to on numeric lock. So options are A, numeric lock, B, caps lock, C, scroll lock, D, none of these. So right answer is numeric lock A. Next question, write true or false. There are 5 given statements. We have to choose which is true or which is false. The first, for typing, the keyboard is divided into two parts, left and right, left hand side and right hand side. Yes, true. While typing, we divide keyboard in two parts, left and right. Second one, touch typing is a technique by which we can learn typing with all fingers while looking at the keyboard, not looking at the keyboard. It is touch typing without seeing the keyboard. So this is false. Third one, Anmol Lipi fonts help us to typing in Punjabi. Yes, true. With the help of Anmol Lipi font, we can write or we can type Punjabi fonts in computer. Fourth one, we use our little finger for the space bar. Little finger, not we are using thumb for space bar. So this statement is false. Fifth and last one, shift key is used to move down a new line. Also false. For new line, we use enter key. With the help of enter key, we can make a new line, not with the help of shift key. Next question, short answer type question. Students, you know, in short answer type questions, we have to write 2 or 3 sentences for this. So first question, what is touch typing? Touch typing is a technique by which we can learn typing with all fingers step by step without having looked down at the keyboard. If all the time we keep on looking for right key on keyboard, then it slow down our typing speed a lot. So we have to type without seeing the keyboard. Second question, describe the position of your fingers on home row key. Home row. So our position like this on home key. So position of our finger on home row key is shown below. Here is a table. There are 2 types of keys, without shift key or with shift key. First of all, we talk regarding left hand, and in left hand, first is little finger. With the help of little finger, we can type without shift key. First of all, we are talking about without shift key. Without shift key, uda, ring finger sassa, middle finger dadda, and index finger. There are 2 digits, 2 character, tadda and gagga. Now again with left hand, with shift key, ada, sassa, tadda, and with index finger, tadda and kagga. Now we are talking about right hand. Right hand, little finger, without shift key, semicolon, lalla, middle finger gakka, index finger haha and jajja. Now with shift key, colon, ring finger lalla, lalle pair bindi, khakha, and 2 characters haha and chajja. Which haha? Pair which haha. Okay. Third question, how to type in Punjabi language? Before starting typing in Punjabi, we need to choose an appropriate font for typing in Punjabi. These are many fonts which are available for typing in Punjabi. For example, Anmol Lipi, Ravi, Unicode font. What do you mean by Unicode? Every character of this font have a unique numeric number. Then Assis, Joy, etc. Anmol Lipi font is one of the easiest Punjabi font to learn typing in Punjabi. But keep in mind, in Punjab or all the offices in Punjab, Ravi font is official font. Now, fourth question, name of any 3 fonts to typing in Punjabi. You have to write down the fonts of Punjabi font name. There are many fonts in typing in Punjabi language. Some of these are given below. Anmol Lipi, Assis, Ravi and Joy. Now we have to discuss long answer type question. In long answer type question, we need to answer in 2 paragraphs or 10 or 15 sentence or maybe in points. So let's discuss how can we improve typing speed. Following are some suggestions which helps us to improve typing speed. Which suggestions? First, our hand or finger position should always be in home position. We should reach for other keys from home position. Home position, after typing, back to home keys. Second, we should focus on accuracy, not speed. Accuracy is first. And what about speed? Speed will come with time and practice. Practice makes a man perfect. Speed is a secondary thing. Accuracy is primary. So third one, don't look at the keyboard while typing. While typing, don't look at the keyboard. Fourth, be steady, even piece and strive for accuracy. And last one, as we tap each key, we should say its letter to ourselves. Recall your early life. While writing, you speak aloud. Same process here. Next question. Draw Anmol Lipi key map or keyboard. Anmol Lipi keyboard is shown below. On your screen, there is a keyboard. You have to copy this keyboard on your fair notebook. And keep in mind, take a screenshot. Okay. Thank you.